Say hi, we're on YouTube. As you can see, houses here are very quiet from Baguio. Actually, we're going home na. Bye! Lakad. You can see may nakared na lalaki. Epal siya. His name is Jake Lloyd. Actually, we wanted to go there. Right, guys?
Yeah.
But there's no way down.
Don't.
We have find a way to go down there.
Don't.
Wait. Here's the way.
Let's go. Come again. Matawigi, man.
We're already down.
Up and away. Madala kasi dito. Ito nang ilalim to, pipita ka dito.
The reason why the houses are elevated, so, para sa baha, hindi na kailangan mag-angat ng mga gamit, di ba?
Yeah. Mga baka dito.